Ms. Ponsati Obiols.
Thank you, President. I have many things to say about today's debate, and in fact, I had prepared a very nice one-minute speech in Catalan. But again, I cannot speak in Catalan in this chamber. En aquesta cambra, tot el que em permeteu dir en català és això. Sí. It turns out that Spain had promised that the official status of Catalan was going to be voted at the General Affairs Council of yesterday. But hey, Spain broke his promise. No surprise, really. We're used to Spain broken promises. And we're used to the hypocrisy of the other member states. This union wants Catalans in silence. But forget it. We will not shut up. Catalunya és ben viva, vol ser lliure i no callarà. Moltes gràcies.
Grazie. Come lei sa...
Thank you. As you're aware, only the official languages can be spoken in this chamber.